We say number 10, Will, from Cosmos Foundation. Yes. Number 9, Patch from Madison Group. Let's clap for them. Number 8, Nyati from Air Travel. Let's clap for them. Number 7, Parrot from Air Travel. Let's clap for them. Number 6, Kasuku from Air Travel. Let's clap for them. Number 5, Shak from Kevian. Let's clap for them. Number 4, Seal from Kapasi. Let's clap for them. And now, number 3, let's clap for them. Team Oak from Kenya Wildlife Service. Wow. KWS, come for a while. KWS, Mungu Baba Tuona. Makofi mazuri. The team members come from KWS. Let's clap number 2 for them. Continue clapping until they get here. Continue clapping. Mheshimiwa is giving us the award. Congratulations. Madam is happy. Well done, PWM. Number 2, Team Tato from Kiambu Water Company. Let's clap for them. Kiambu Water.